Hi everyone, welcome to maths video. Very few this will be the last video, children. So please, I request you to get back to studies because only 1 week is left. So I want you all to study hard and get very good marks in your term 1. Okay, so please study well. Okay, and if you have any doubt anytime, you can call me or you can contact me on WhatsApp. I have the list of the students who are in contact with me for the homework. Because see, don't take any burden of the things. Remember this thing, don't take any burden of the things, and just get good marks in exam. That's it. Okay, don't keep any burden that I have to complete that, I have to complete that. What's important is scoring in exam. Okay, so do that. All the best for your exams and study hard. Okay, and you can contact me anytime. Only thing is just study. Okay, so you can see subtraction. You in subtraction row method, last we have seen addition. So subtract this polynomial from this. What is the meaning? From this I have to subtract this. So always in subtraction, the polynomial or the number which is written in the second place will come first. So this I have written here, since we are subtracting, so minus in bracket the first polynomial, second minus first. Okay, if you do 1 minus 2, first minus second, you will get wrong answer. Okay, so a minus 4b minus 2c, because first we have to open the bracket. Before bracket minus sign is there, so inside all signs will change. Plus 5a becomes minus, here nothing means plus, so plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, and plus become minus. So next step is segregate all the terms, like terms a, b, b, c, c along with their signs. ca minus 5a minus 5a, 4b plus 3b, minus 2c minus 2c, minus 4a minus b minus 4c. So this is the final answer. Okay, a minus b, minus 4 minus 1 minus 4. Okay, then column method, if I have told you that in column method all the like terms should be arranged in proper way, means a, b and c. Here is a and here is c, and here is a and here is b. Not allowed. A below a, b below b, and c below c. So since it is subtraction, so change, since here we had changed the sign, here also changing of the sign will be there. Plus 5 means minus, minus becomes plus, plus become minus. Now forget all these old signs. You have to worry about new signs. Okay, so this means minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, right? Minus 4 plus 3 minus 1, and minus 5 plus 1 minus 4. Okay, so subtraction. So these all are the subtraction sums. Okay, and once you know addition and subtraction, see take wale sums means subtract. Okay, from this you have to subtract this. So I am not explaining because this is part of subtraction only. Sum of this polynomial and this polynomial, then subtract the third polynomial. All these things need addition and subtraction. So I hope you will do it. Okay, so addition, subtraction, once you know rest of the things also. Now we'll do substitution, because we are not allowed to post video after 12th, so I have to be in hurry. Okay, so substitution means instead of a, b, c to z, that is instead of variables, you have to substitute the numbers which are given. They can be plus or minus. So see the example. Let's see little bigger example now. I'll take this. So 5x plus 3y minus 6z. So what value of x, y and z is given? So wherever x, y, z are there, substitute those respective values. So 5 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 5 minus 6 multiplied by z4. 5 3s are 15, 3 5s are 15, minus 6 into 4 minus 24. So add all the positive, add all the negatives and subtract them. So 15 plus 15, positive, positive, 30 minus 24, 6. Then you can see rest of the sums are same way. Okay, now let's have example. This time find the value of 4pq multiplied by 2r. Value of p and q and r is given. So 4pq, 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2, this 2, and this r's value is 1 by 2. 2 with 2 got cancelled. 4 5 is 20, 23 is 60. A plus b minus c upon 2a. 5 plus 7 minus 2. 2 multiplied by 8. A is 5. So 2 5s are 10. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 minus 2, 10. 10 upon 10, 1. Okay. So this is all substitution. So this is, we have solved these before also. We'll have example of this also, children. A square plus b square plus minus c square plus d square. So a square means 3. A value of a is 3. Value of b is 0. Value of c is 2. Value of d is 1. So 3 square plus 0 square minus 2 square plus 1 square. 3 is a 9 plus 0. 2 is a 4 plus 1. So 9 minus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. Similarly this 2 multiplied by 3 square. Value of a is 3. Value of b is 0. Value of c is 2. Value of d is 1. So 3 is a 9. No, it's not 3 2s are. 3 multiplied by 3. 0 multiplied by 0. 2 multiplied by 2. 1 multiplied by 1. So 3 is a 9. 0 0 is a 0. 2 2 is a 4. 1 1 is a 1. So 2 9 is a 18. 3 0 is a 0. 4 4 is a 16. 5 is a 5. So 18 plus 16 minus 5. 34 minus 5. 29. So add all the positive. 18 plus 16. 34 minus 5, 29. Okay. So now this show that the value of, to prove means you have to prove that if you substitute x is equal to 1, you will get, after solving you should get 0. If you get 0 means you have solved it correctly. Okay. So substitute value of x is 1. So x value of x is 1 cube minus 8. 1 square plus 12 into 1 minus 5. So 1 cube means 1. 8 into 1 plus 12 ones are 12 minus 5. So 1 minus 8 plus 12 minus 5. So add all the positive. So this is positive, 13, this is negative, minus 13. So 13 minus 13, 0. Okay. So wherever x values, wherever x are there, wherever y, a, b, c, d, you have to substitute those values. Okay. Now removal of bracket, the most important thing which will be carried in 7th standard also. So evaluate. So removal of bracket, bar bracket, small bracket, middle bracket, and square bracket. Okay. So what are the rules? When positive before bracket comes, the same rule, you know, when positive sign comes before bracket, keep inside things as it is. When negative comes, keep inside, just change the signs of the inside variables. Okay. So let's take this example, 6m minus 4m minus m. So solve the inside bracket. So 6m minus 4 minus 1, 3m. So 6, just open the bracket, before bracket minus, so inside sign plus will become minus. So 6 minus 3, 3. Okay. So I'm trying this one. My before bracket minus. So do not worry about this sign first. Solve this first. Okay. So minus 4a minus 8a minus 12a. Because we have to, since they are like terms, I can do the further calculation. So minus 8 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12a. So minus minus plus, or before bracket if minus sign is there, inside all signs will change. So here minus was there, so plus 12a. So let's see this one. P plus minus q minus r minus s minus p minus q minus r. So before bracket plus means inside signs will not change. So p minus q minus r minus s. Before bracket minus, so inside signs will change. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus. Okay. So segregate, or directly, since there is here chance, you can segregate also first, like segregate p, q, r, s, but no need. Minus plus p gets cancelled, minus q plus q gets cancelled, minus r plus r gets cancelled. And what is left is minus s. Okay. So rest of the sums are also like this. All depends before bracket what is the sign. Okay, now let's see this example. Minus m minus n minus, in bracket minus m minus m. Okay, so minus m minus n, before bracket what is there? Minus. So inside sign will change, so it became my plus 1 minus m. So minus m plus m gets cancelled. So minus m minus m. No? So let's see this example. Or okay, I'll explain this. 5x square minus, now here we have bracket of this. This is the bracket. So before bracket with sign minus. So in bracket plus. So plus became minus x square and minus became plus. Okay, this is the first sign which this is the first bracket which we have to remove. So 5x square minus 3x, and now this is the bracket. Now first check whether inside in like terms are there. No, like terms are not there. So before bracket minus is there. So inside all signs will change. Plus became minus, minus became plus, plus became minus. Now solve it. 5x square, now only these two like terms are there. 5 plus 1, 6. Minus 3x minus 4 as it is. Okay. So if you want me to solve this, minus y plus x. Okay. Minus, this is the bracket. So what we have done is we have opened these two brackets together. So plus became minus y, minus became plus. Before bracket minus is there. So here minus, here I have kept it as it is because here we have one more bracket. So x plus y, before this minus became, here plus was there, it became minus because before bracket minus is there. So this plus became minus, this plus became minus. Okay. Now let's solve the bracket. My plus y minus y gets cancelled. So x minus 2x, again minus x, because 1 minus 2 minus 1. So before bracket minus sign is there. So inside signs will change. So minus x plus x plus x. This minus became plus. So 2x, it will be 2x minus y or minus y plus 2x. Okay. So alright. So I think we have completed the syllabus, and data handling I think you can solve, but if you have any doubt, please for example, first whenever you solve anything, first thing arrange in array and then do the tally and frequency and write this is important, total, because if this total should match with this total. Okay. So array means to arrange from ascending to descending or descending to ascending depending on the question if it is given. Okay. So this total is very important in that, and range means the highest value, the lowest value, and subtract them. Range is what? To subtract highest value minus lowest value. Okay. Then pictograph, you know. This third column is also important, children. Pictograph scale you have to show, and then these columns. Each picture represent some number of things. Okay. If one car is drawn, it means 500 cars. So I hope you have understood it, and today I'll be uploading answer key also. Please check. Okay. I'm telling you again, don't take burden of anything, homework or revision work. Okay. If it is possible easily, then do it. If it is not possible, then you can submit afterwards also. Don't take burden. I have not given it as burden. On 7th it was given, so you had 5 days to complete it very easily. Okay. So it's not like a burden for you all. It was an easy task. Okay. So enjoy Diwali, be safe, but please don't skip studies. Okay. Very, very important. Term 1 is there. Slowly schools are reopening. Maybe we will be opening our school very soon because we are getting such type of good vibes. Okay. So take care. Have a safe Diwali and happy Diwali. God bless you all. And for doubts, please contact me and study hard. Thank you so much, and please take care.